Hello everyone, I am LV Mingrue from Topxgun Academy. In the previous class, we explained the blade clamp and blade of Topxgun's new drone in 2024. Today, I will talk about our new centrifugal nozzle. This year, both our FP600 and FP500 are all equipped with 4 centrifugal nozzles. The new centrifugal nozzles have the following advantages. The pulverization is more even and delicate. The new centrifugal nozzle is equipped with 2 layers of atomization discs and a triple crushing mechanism. Under this composite work, the liquid can maintain a more uniform and delicate atomization effect. After a series of strict tests, it ensures that the consistency of droplets is not less than 83%, and the variation coefficient of the spray amount uniformity is also within 18%, far strict than the industry standard. The range of atomizable particle size is larger. The size of particle size is mainly limited by the stable rotation speed control of the motor ESC. The new centrifugal nozzle of Topxgun further optimizes the motor ESC control, and with 2 layers of atomization discs, the particle size range has been expanded from 80 to 300 microns to 50 to 500 microns, effect doubled. Whether it is a fruit tree field or a large field, the new centrifugal nozzle of Topxgun can meet all particle size ranges. Greatly reduce the drift range of the liquid pesticides and improve the penetration effect of droplets. The lower atomizing disc of the new centrifugal nozzle has been equipped with a fan blade structure design. When the atomizing disc rotates at high speed, downward wind pressure will also be generated. This wind pressure can blow the particles downward for the first time, avoiding large-scale drift. At the same time, under the action of the downward pressure wind field, the penetration of droplets is also greatly improved, and the effect is more obvious in the fruit tree field of high-flow operation. Module design is simpler. Compared to the previous generation of centrifugal nozzle, we have eliminated the check valve. Through firmware optimization, we first turn off the water pump and then turn off the centrifugal nozzle to prevent leakage. The entire centrifugal nozzle has become more streamlined. Lifetime and durability are longer. Faced with the major difficult point of centrifugal nozzles in the industry, broken shafts, we have thickened the motor shaft this year. We can take a look. It is as thick as a little finger, which makes the nozzle more durable. The above is an introduction of the centrifugal nozzles of FP500 and FP600. Follow the Topxgun channel to learn more about the new product features.